ASTRAND specialize in providing total laboratory testing solutions for textile, clothing, footwear, leather, furniture, toy, and paper. We are integrated high-tech enterprise with professional R&D department, technical department, sales team, processing and production workshop. We concentrate on designing the testing machine, which adapt to customers' needs, helping our customers to be more successful by providing advanced and reliable testing equipment. We would provide CE certificate, NAS calibration certificate, equipmented with specialized workshop. ASTRAND ensures that each product meets with per test standards requirement. We sell in more than 100 countries. Equipmented with specialized showroom. Providing free sample testing services. Our main products: tensile testing machine, Martindale pilling and abrasion tester, random tumble pilling tester, Aichi pilling tester, color fastness tester, button pull tester. We pay attention to detail. We always make it easy. We ensure the high quality. Thank you for choosing ASTRAND.